Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Experts. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and click the bell icon for further more videos. Today we will know about different topics, questions and answers related to GK. It will be helpful in your competitive exams. So, let's start with today's first question. First question. World Bank has signed a loan agreement of $400 million with Government of India to enhance and support which program? And your options are option A, Swachh Bharat Mission, option B, Make in India, option C, Namami Gange, option D, Skill India. And the right answer is option C, Namami Gange. Second question. India has signed an agreement with which country for development of 5 eco-tourism zones? And your options are option A, Mauritius, option B, Maldives, option C, Indonesia, option D, Malaysia. And the right answer is option B, Maldives. Third question. 80% of coal reserves of India are in, and your options are option A, Godavari Valley, option B, Wardha Valley, option C, Damodar Valley, option D, Mahanadi Valley. And the right answer is option C, Damodar Valley. Fourth question. Which nation has decided to construct a standalone war memorial for the Indian soldiers martyred in 1971 war? And your options are option A, India, option B, Bangladesh, option C, Maldives, option D, Malaysia. And the right answer is option B, Bangladesh. Fifth question. Who was the British commander at Delhi during 1857 revolt? And your options are option A, Colin Campbell, option B, John Nicholson, option C, William Taylor, and option D, Hugh Rolls. And the right answer is option B, John Nicholson. Sixth question. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2020? And your options are option A, air pollution, option B, 7 billion people, one planet, consume with care, option C, raise your voice, not the sea level, option D, biodiversity. And the right answer is option D, biodiversity. Seventh question. Which of the following were the first two states in India which established Panchayati Raj in 1956? And your options are option A, Rajasthan and Maharashtra, option B, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh, option C, Rajasthan and Odisha, option D, Rajasthan and Punjab. And the right answer is option B, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Eighth question. Which nation's Prime Minister has resigned amid public outrage over Beirut blast? And your options are option A, Syria, option B, Lebanon, option C, Sudan, option D, Libya. And the right answer is option B, Lebanon. Ninth question. How many times larger is the radius of the Sun than that of Earth? And your options are option A, 109, option B, 10, option C, 5, option D, 25. And the right answer is option A, 109. 10th question. Who started the Servant of India Society? And your options are option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, option C, Dadabhai Naoroji, option B, Bhagat Singh. And the right answer is option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. 11th question. Name India's first satellite and when it was launched. And your options are option A, Bhaskara, 7th June 1979, option B, Aryabhatta, 19th April 1975, option C, Rohini, 25th April 1975, option D, INSAT, 10th April 1978. And the right answer is option B, Aryabhatta, 19th April 1975. 12th question. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? And your options are option A, Param Visheshta Seva Medal, option B, Param Veer Chakra, option C, Kirti Chakra, option D, Veer Chakra. And the right answer is option B, Param Veer Chakra. 13th question. Who is the first Asian winner of Nobel Prize? And your options are option A. Rajiv Gandhi, option B. C.V. Raman, option C. Rabindranath Tagore, option D. Sarojini Naidu. And the right option is option C. Rabindranath Tagore. 14th question. Who is the first woman president of UN General Assembly? And options are option A. Shakuntala Devi, option B. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, option C. Pratibha Patil, and option D. Sushma Swaraj. And the right answer is option B. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. 15th question. Which was the first country to give voting right to women? And your options are option A. Australia, option B. India, option C. New Zealand, option D. Brazil. And the right answer is option C. New Zealand. 16th question. Which was the first country to print the books? And your options are option A. China, option B. India, option C. South Africa, option D. England. And the right answer is option A. China. 17th question. Which is the largest country in the world in area? Your options are option A. China, option B. USA, option C. Russia, option D. Canada. And the right answer is option C. Russia. 18th question. Which vitamin among the following is crucial for blood clotting? And your options are option A. Vitamin K, option B. Vitamin D, option C. Vitamin E, and option D. Vitamin D. And the right answer is option A. Vitamin K. 19th question. How many bones does a newborn baby have? And your options are option A. 206, option B. 300, option C. 211, option D. 401. And the right answer is option B. 300 bones. 20th question. World No Tobacco Day falls on, and your options are option A. 1st May, option B. 2nd May, option C. 31st May, option D. 30th June. And the right answer is option C. 31st May. 21st question. What is the Siberian ibex? And your options are option A. Mountain lions, option B. Large heavily built goats, option C. Mountain deer, option D. A type of horse. And the right answer is option B. Large heavily built goats. 22nd. India's first banking robot, Lakshmi, was launched by which of the following banks? And your options are option A. Citibank, option B. Union Bank, option C. ICICI Bank, option D. City Union Bank. And the right answer is option D. City Union Bank. 23rd question. What is the height of Statue of Unity? And your options are option A. 182 meter, option B. 190 meter, option C. 150 meter, and option D. 181 meter. And the right answer is 182 meters. Question 24. How many Indian astronauts will be sent to space under Gaganyaan missions? And your options are option A. 5, option B. 3, option C. 2, option D. 4. And the right answer is option B. 3. 3 astronauts will be sent. 25th question. Where is India's first dolphin research center located? And your options are option A. Bihar, option B. Gujarat, option C. Mumbai, and option D. Karnataka. And the right answer is option A. Bihar. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.